my snacks in my room instead of the fridge? I'm 34 and diabetic, so having snacks nearby is crucial. My appetite's messed up, and I often skip meals, leading to low blood sugar. My brother-in-law and his pregnant wife moved in a month ago, and she started eating my fridge-stored snacks. I bought more, but they'd disappear, leaving me sipping sugar water at night because my husband wouldn't restock. He told me to be patient since she's pregnant and sort of sick. Fed up, I moved all my snacks to a box in my bedroom. My sister-in-law called it weird. I stopped buying snacks, but I clarified I still do. I just keep them safe. She gave me a look and an argument blew up. My husband scolded me for being childish and